Did you know that Festool Systainer cases are so futuristic that they've even been featured in Star Wars? Other than storing space goods, Festool's Systainer cases are fantastic ways to store all of the tools you need to get the job done. If you are or aren't using Festool tools, it doesn't matter. The case isn't going to know if you're using another brand. Festool Systainer cases, there are many different shapes and sizes, and that is something that Festool do kind of pride themselves on. If you look at the ranges of other tool companies, you don't get as many options from many of these as you would with Festool. So many different size options, because so many people, you know, you're coming on and off the job site and in your toolbox, you've either not got enough space or you've got too much. However, with the amount of size options that you can get from Festool Systainer cases, that's not really going to be a worry for you. But alongside from their standard plastic boxes, there are some other interesting Festool cases that you should be checking out. First of all, you've got this nice drawer case, which is going to be great for storing your smaller accessories. You know, we're talking the likes of your drill bits, your fixings, your screwdriver bits, things along those lines can keep those nice and organized and easily stackable with your other cases for transportation on and off the site. There are also some nice cases with see-through lids, so you know you'll be able to see exactly what is in the case at a moment's notice. That said, if you need to grab those tools at a moment's notice, Festool also have a nice range of open totes as well, so the tool can rest in the top and you can just stick your hand in and pull out exactly what you need. There are though some other quite interesting and unique Systainer cases, one of them being the Powerhub. Now this essentially acts as a multi-gang, a plug extension, but it can just be stored within your Festool Systainer set, so no more having to lug around an extra cable reel or anything like that. You can plug everything straight in to your Festool Systainer case. Now that is really, really impressive, and Festool have gone even further with the innovation to their tool storage. You've got this nice portable workbench. Whenever you need to be working at a moment's notice, if you've got a portable workbench already sitting at the top of your Systainer cases, you are always good to go. So of course Festool are known for their impressive engineering, the incredible features of their tools, but do not sleep on Festool Systainer, because there are some really, really impressive storage solutions that you can get your hands on and get your tools in. Check it all out now over at its.co.uk.